Hello and welcome to Country Sampler on Video. Crafters and decorators today love repurposing things into something else unique and different. Today we're going to show you a real simple garden craft, how you can repurpose bottle caps into this cute garden flower. For each flower you'll need 7 bottle caps. You can either use ones that you've collected or you can purchase new ones at a hobby store. You'll need a wooden dowel or metal rod, a glue gun, different colors of paint, brushes, and something to seal your flower when you're done. Start by painting your bottle caps. You can paint them all one color, like these here, or you could add some designs. You could put some dots in there. You could do just a dot in the center. You could even leave the edge of your bottle cap solid if you want, unpainted, for a different look. So when you're painting your bottle caps, you'll probably need to make sure that you do at least 2 coats, and you want it to dry because the middle of the bottle caps is going to be a little bit harder to paint. And you want to definitely make sure that the base dries first before you add any design. And yes, it will get messy. Once your bottle caps are all painted and dry, arrange them in a flower shape with 1 cap in the center and then the 6 of them surrounding it. Then you're going to flip them over and hot glue them together from the back. And when you're hot gluing your flower, make sure that all of the edges touch the next bottle cap. And that's where you're going to put the hot glue against, across all those edges. Let your glue set a bit, and then once it's all glued together, what you're going to do then is glue it onto the dowel rod. And so you're still gluing it from the back, and you want to position your dowel rod, so it fills up most of the flower and gives it some support. And again, you're just going to do it with the hot glue gun. And for this one, you might find that you need a little bit more glue. After the hot glue has set, flip your flower over, and you're going to want to brush the front and sides of all of the bottle caps with decoupage medium or some other type of sealer, especially if you're going to put this outside in your garden. And there you go, you're done. A beautiful, cute little flower made from bottle caps. Who would have thought? For more decorating ideas such as these, be sure to see the current issue of Country Sampler. It's available now on newsstands, or you can purchase a copy at countrysampler.com. And we'll see you next time on Country Sampler on Video.